This presentation seeks to answer the following. What is comprehension? How does it relate to the reader in reading? What strategies do effective readers use to comprehend text? How can teachers facilitate comprehension? Let's begin. Comprehension is the ability to decipher audiovisual and kinetic cues or clues from the environment for a declarative, procedural, or conditional classification or organization. Effective comprehenders can not only name or identify an abstract or concrete element, they also are aware of its usefulness, function, and operation. Thus, they can validate its preference or lack of preference and explain why it should or should not be chosen over something else. There have been many logical assumptions about the relationships between the components of reading that have led to many misconceptions, such as the correlation between comprehension and fluency. Research shows that although they are both important and should not be taught separately, fluency should not be considered a direct indicator of comprehension. All that we are, our experiences, beliefs, cultures, priorities, preferences, habits, procedures, etc., create little stores of knowledge in our head based on our experiences. As we begin to process new information, those stores of knowledge activate in order to help us compare, contrast, evaluate, analyze the new information to see how it fits to what we already know so that we can find the use of the new information or name it or validate its use over something else. There are many concrete and abstract components to any body of knowledge, and reading comprehension is no different. One thing teachers can do to aid reading comprehension is to implement small group instruction. Research suggests that teachers give students a pretest of the content to be taught. Address each student personally to inquire about his or her perception of their success on the test. Share the actual scores with the students and discuss any discrepancies that lie between their prediction and the results. You'll also want to talk to each student about the value and application of the strategy for which you're going to teach, including grade improvement. Help the students create a goal statement which indicates commitment and willingness to learn the strategy before you begin.